Up here on the upper deck again, looking down on the reservoir down there. Been doing a lot of work down there. They're chiseling at the walls, making the watershed area larger, I think. Got big dump trucks down there hauling out the stuff. They got a road that they go up and haul out all the broken rock and stuff. So I think they're trying to make the watershed area larger down there. Can't really see it all from here, but I think the lake is going to go back there a ways. But yeah, wife's up here cleaning up all the bird droppings. It's quite a lot. You can see, man, birds up here are going crazy.
It will grow one day. I will see
You got bird poop up on
what kind of trees or bushes that they bring in.
All up on the cove here.
I'm hoping that they bring a.
They're building nests in our cove.
Black pepper.
Building nests and laying eggs up here.
I think they have a chicks though.
Yeah, once we get moved in up here, we'll take care of that issue. Another warm day here. Tuesday afternoon. Cassava hasn't been harvested yet. It's all about 10 feet tall. It's ready. So they'll probably be harvesting that within the next couple of weeks. It's the ocean out there. Wife's cleaning up here. And there's Buddy, one of our pooches. These water tanks are still full. Haven't had rain for a couple weeks now. Go down and take a look at what they've got done in the bathroom tiling. Most of the walls are done. We got our tiles ordered today. It's kind of like a simulated wood look. A lighter reddish tint wood look for everything down here. And here's our bathroom tiling. So they got pretty much all the walls done here. Turn the light on here if I can. Oh, maybe I can't. Anyways, we got some tile framing Didn't know whether to go with silver or gold. So we just went with the silver, so that goes all the way around. So we got all the walls pretty much done. And got our little toilet paper holder there. Plumbing for the sink. We got one little area over here, the corner over here to finish. We got a little corner to do over there underneath the sink. But they did this wall here. Got plumbing over here for the barrel of water. Like I said, we got an outlet here, so someday we can always plumb it in for a shower too, once we get a pressure tank. But for now, just the old school faucet and barrel. Dump the water over your head. Light switch, another outlet over there by the sink. So I think the next thing to do is we'll start doing the tiling on the floor. Should have finished the tiling on the floor before they put the last tiles here, but that's okay. And then we got to tile the sink area. We're gonna go with whatever tiles that we have left over here on the sink. Not sure what we're gonna use there yet.
They're cooking now. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, birds are coming back. Thinking about using this tile here on the sink, but I don't know. On the sink counter. I don't know how good that's gonna look, but we'll see. Definitely on the face of the sink we'll use that, but I don't know about the countertop. But we'll see. I think they'll come back and just finish up a little bit of painting in here once we get the tile all finished and get the flooring all tiled. Then the next thing to do is start tiling in here. Like I said, we got it all ordered. 20 more bags of this adhesive for the tiles. Got that ordered. We ordered some more of this nosing for the stairs. This is the tile framing stuff here. So we got some more of that ordered. I think we ordered about 14 pieces of the nosing. And we got leftover skim coat. We can use that on the other house, our old house, which is still all rough on the inside, and someday we're gonna finish that. And we just repaired it after Odette. Some of the roofing got destroyed, so we had to spend about, I think about $11K just on some of the roofing edges that got destroyed. Like I said, this is just a small little studio house. We're just gonna have a little kitchenette over here. Got one bathroom, One little closet over there in the corner for storage. And then we're just gonna put 2 beds up against the wall over here. Put a TV up on the wall over there. And I think we're gonna have a middle counter right here, just to separate the bedroom area from the kitchen. It's no real big living space, just a small little place here with a nice upper deck that you can go hang out at. I don't know, maybe we can put a TV on the upper deck too. We got a nice big front patio to hang out. Like I said, we'll be doing most of our hanging out either on the upper deck or on the patios. Got a nice big back patio back here. A little wash area here. Put a washing machine back here. A little laundry area. Nice big wide back patio back here. This is the side of the house where it gets pretty windy, so this will be a nice hangout area. And you still got a beautiful view here. Cebu right over there, right outside the back patio. You can see the ocean. See Cebu over there in the distance. Cebu City is right over there.
The stove's gone here.
I can zoom in really big.
There.
That's Cebu City right over there. And that's the ocean. So it's a nice look here. Guys started working in the back too here. Started kind of terracing off the back here. They're gonna clean it all back here, and we'll get a nice wall around the property. There's the cassava forest there. But yeah, this is still got some more painting to do. We ordered another gallon of primer. Still have another gallon or so of white paint. We got a little bit more of the gray paint too for the posts that we use here. So hopefully we'll have enough. I think we might have to, if we run out of the gray paint, we might have to improvise and make our own gray paint. I think we got enough for all the posts here. There's not much to do. I mean, you got a little bit there, and I think this post over here in the corner, you got a little bit more to do. I think we can mix up some, and if we have anything to do in the dirty kitchen here, we can mix up our own gray paint. But yeah, this will be the little dirty kitchen. Our little cook area there. We got a little spot over there in the corner. It's where we plan on putting an oven someday. Just get a little small oven so we can do a little baking. But yeah, it's just got like a couple guys working and cleaning up and cleaning up around the outside, and just 2 guys doing the tiling. So not a lot's been done. Holy Week. Yeah, you can close it up. I said, once we, maybe, once they finish the bathroom, maybe they'll be done this week with the bathroom. Then the major tile job starts here, so. All right, that's it.